Hey, my name is Mathilda. I am a second year BBA student and I'm currently doing an internship in Vietnam learning about digital marketing, and I'll be happy to share with you my knowledge. So every week, Raphael, Amaya and I will release a video. My video will of course focus on digital marketing. I will talk about the Google Analytic tools, which software to use to do your email marketing, how to develop your digital marketing strategy. And so, as I said, I'm currently doing an internship in Vietnam, working with Chris Walker. So Chris Walker holds fashion sourcing companies. He helped them to find the good manufacturers. And so I'm here to share what I learned by his side, and see you in the next video.